Hi guys, we've needed a tune on the Patrol for a little while, and we reached out on Instagram and got a lot of recommendations for automotive excellence here in Riverstone in Sydney. So today we're here with Steve. He's just going to talk you through the process of tuning up the Patrol. We started using a bit more fuel than we wanted to on our trip. We started using an extra 2-3 litres per 100, so we came to see Steve to get it sorted out.
And we'll sort it out now, I guess. We'll do a run.
Yep. Cool.
More fuel or less boost. So we're going to do less boost for now. And then Okay, so the baseline run saw a maximum boost of 35 psi. The air fuel ratio down here, we generally like to target around 20:1. At one point here, mid-run, we actually saw a 25:1. Generally, at 25:1 and at 35 psi, you don't make power efficiently. The turbo's spinning very hard, and it's just that the air fuel ratio doesn't make power. So we did a few runs just to sort of see how it was going to accept the change in boost with the boost tee that was already fitted to the car. This is the sort of second and third run here. With dramatic changes to the boost tee, we didn't actually see any change down here in this table, or nothing that was expected. We at this point in time, we were trying to take about 8 psi out of it, so we were doing dramatic changes. Pretty much after that, we pulled the pin on the boost tee that was on it. We fitted one of our GFB Atomics, which is just another type of manual boost tee, and we instantly saw a change. So this boost tee is now controlling boost. We're only seeing a maximum boost of 19 psi, whereas before with the other boost tee, we could not get it to change from 35 psi. After we did this initial run and we saw that it was working, the air fuel ratio ended up coming down to about a 17:1, which is too rich, and would probably end up just getting hot on the freeway. We then did a bit of an adjustment, which is the next run. On here, 25 psi on the dot, pretty much from the very start all the way to the end. So the boost is being controlled effectively. Our air fuel ratio is about 19. It just touches on 20, and then it maintains 20:1 pretty much the entire way, which is perfect for making power and keeping it cool. If we compare the two, we've got a massive 10 psi of less boost that we are now running. The air fuel ratio is bang on our 20:1, and this is the torque that we're now seeing. So with 10 psi less boost, you're seeing basically an unnoticeable difference in torque, and you've actually gained power in the top end. So in this part of the run here, you're seeing a significant difference of almost 100 Newton meters running 10 pound less boost. So the difference that's going to make in terms of reliability is going to be astronomical. If we have a look at the power is also a lot more in the top end. So up here, you're seeing almost 50 horsepower gained over the space of 200, and actually from mid-run on, you're making more power. So the difference is significant all around.
Alright guys, so Steve probably talked through that a lot better than I could. Basically, I'm not chasing big numbers or anything like that traveling around Australia. We're just happy with reliability, pretty good economy torque. So Steve's managed to get us all of what we wanted for less boost. So basically the engine's not working as hard and it's going to be more reliable. So we're really happy with that. If down the line we wanted to chase more power, we can go down the line of like a lift pump to get more fuel to the car.
Yeah. So if in the future you did want to run back up at 35 pounds, you'd probably see, with a few relatively small modifications, you'd probably see another 40 horsepower in the top end at the same boost level. From a touring standpoint, I'd be more than keen to sort of encourage you to just leave it at the 25 psi. That's going to get you everywhere you need to go without sort of a bad feeling in the back of your head. Especially with the old two-piece crank trick. I think this is 200 horsepower is sort of where you sort of draw the line between tour and potential failure. And I think you're bang on the money with it all at the moment.
Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you are ever around Sydney and you are looking for a good tuner, definitely come see Steve here at Riverstone. And yeah, he definitely knows what he's doing. You guys do all just diesel?
Yeah, we do everything, from service work all the way through to chassis extensions and dual cab chops.
Yep.
So literally, if there's anything anyone ever needs, true one stop.
Yep, awesome. And make sure you get on. We'll link his Facebook and Instagram down below.
Yep.
And definitely get on there and check out his page.
Yes. Thank you.
All right,
Done.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks.